characters are similar. I want to make unique characters. It's okay. Good characters hit is near you. Here, welcome to my Atelier. Me is your manga teacher, Irish. Creator type Vtuber. We learned in last lesson. Let's find your manga's originality. Today, me teach you tips to make unique characters. Let's practice manga skill together. Kids, Jack. When you make your manga characters, do you have problem like this? My character's personality is similar. I want to make unique characters more. Me had same problems before, but me found some tips to fix it. Before, when me make characters, me make them simple. For example, main character is hot-blooded. Rival is cool. Heroine is shy and like main character. It's just common character pattern. Me couldn't make two characters me want. Me think how to make more unique characters. And remember a word from my favorite manga artist. He said, all my characters are similar to me. They have a piece of my weak points. So, me think, when me make characters, me give a piece of my personality to them. If you give your personality to character, me think better to give opposite personality. For example, if we make hot-blood main character, me give him scared part of me. If give opposite personality, gap is born. This gap can catch people heart. And me also use my friend's personality. Unique characters hint is in you. Alright, I added my personality to my characters. I'm not good at moving characters in story. How to make them move alive? Me know good tip. Let's run it in next lesson. Thank you for watching. Me is happy if we can meet again next